Number 6, force and motion. Solve exercise. Question number 2, write short answers. Question number 1, how are force and motion related? Explain. Force and motion deeply connect in nature. In other words, force is the cause of motion. If something is moving, we will say that some force is acting on it, or some force must have acted on it which is producing this motion. Question number 2, what is meant by gravity? On which objects does it act? The earth pulls bodies towards itself with a specific force. This force is called gravity of the earth. Gravity acts on different bodies like kicked football, falling leaves, and water of a fountain. Question number 3, define friction. In which direction does it act? Friction is the force that stops or tends to stop the moving objects. Friction always acts against the direction of the movement. Question number 4, what is a machine and how does it work for us? Everything that makes our work easier is called a machine. The machine makes our work easier by changing the amount and direction of force. Question number 5. Why cannot we walk easily on ice? The fact that ice has a very low coefficient of friction. It is difficult to apply force, hence it makes it difficult to walk on the ice.